So the topic is unconscious knows first. The experiment was conducted by Anton Bichara. He was and his team. In this, he his experiment was that there were a set of participants who gave to whom he gave like there was a game where they had to turn over like deck of four cards. There were A, B, C, D, four decks. So the experimenter he didn't tell the participants what the rules were. So he just told them that we'll give you $2,000. So what you can, the main goal is that you shouldn't lose more than $2,000, but you'll earn more. So what he told was each time you turn over a card from any of the deck, you'll be earning around $100. Like when you turn over a card from A and B, you will earn $100, and from C and D, you will earn $50. And also he told that you'll be losing some money when you turn over some set of cards. The participants basically didn't know what the rules were. So the actual rules were that when they turn over from A and B, they get $100. From C and D, they get $50. Yeah, and the game ended after 100 turns of the card. So basically, what happened was after 30 rounds, for the first few rounds, all the participants were picking the cards from each deck, all the four decks, A, B, C, D. But after 30 rounds, they realized that from picking from A, B is giving them more net loss than C, D. Like even though they were earning more when they were turning over cards from A and B, they were losing more there. And from C, D, even though they were earning less, they were losing less. So unconsciously, their mind trained them to pick cards from A and B after 30 rounds. So like the takeaway from this was that the people respond and react to unconscious signals of danger. They came to know that A and B is more dangerous than C and D, as they were losing more money from A and B. So the takeaway was that the unconscious acts more quickly than the conscious mind. This means that people often take actions or have preferences, but they cannot explain. When the experimenter asked them why did you pick A and B, they couldn't explain. They were just like subconsciously we knew that A and B was danger and C and D was not danger. That's why we pivoted towards C and D is what they told.